Alrighty, Thicky fam, so let's get this thing popping. So I wanted to start off with a disclaimer. If you hear anything in the background, it is probably this rice cooker right here. I'm in the middle of cooking white rice for another meal. So if you hear that in the background, that's what that noise is. But to move on, we are doing this fried quinoa recipe. So I wanted to come at you first to show you all of the ingredients that I use. So to start off, I have a bag of mixed veggies. For condiments and seasonings, I have vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you want to. Soy sauce, toasted sesame oil. I have regular salt and pepper. There is red pepper flakes. In this container here, I have just my tri-colored quinoa. For my fresh ingredients, I have onion, garlic, green onion, and some cilantro here. So what I'm going to do now is pretty much cut up these veggies, and while I do that, I'm going to show you what I've already done with the quinoa. Alrighty, so what I have here is my quinoa that I made earlier today that I just let sit for the most part. Usually I already have quinoa that is left over from other meals throughout the week. So it's refrigerated and ready to go. But the way that I cook my quinoa is same way you cook rice, 2 cups of water, every cup that you make. But I also, for more flavor, instead of doing 2 cups of water, I replace one of the cups with some vegetable broth. So like I said, if you just have quinoa sitting around, this is so quick and easy for you to get started. So let's get back to the recipe. Alrighty, so here's my stove. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on medium to high heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of vegetable oil in the pan and let that heat up so that I can saute my onions and garlic. Alrighty, also while the oil was warming up, I went ahead and cut up my onion and garlic, and now we are going to toss that in the pan and saute that for a little bit. Alrighty, y'all, so we're just about ready to put the quinoa in, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the green onion that I chopped up as well as the cilantro. I forgot to tell you guys about the eggs, so it's optional if you guys want to keep this thing vegan. Go ahead and don't put any eggs in it. But we're going to go ahead and add an egg. My husband's vegetarian and he does eat eggs sometimes, so I'm going to go ahead and put a few of that in there. And at this point, if you guys have anything that you want to add to it, like chicken, shrimp, beef, whatever you want, like make this your own, you know, it's your own healthier version of fried rice. So whatever you like. If you like combination, seafood, go ahead and add that, girl. Alright, so this is what our mixed veggies is pretty much looking like. They're pretty much cooked, warmed up, ready to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the quinoa to this thing so we can go ahead and get that fried up. So with this whole thing, I just like to scoop the quinoa in a little at a time and go ahead and get that mixed in so it can cook evenly. Alrighty, y'all. So now that I've added the quinoa in, mix that in a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning this stuff. So I'm going to add a little bit of this toasted sesame oil. Just drizzle that around. Next, I'm going to add my red pepper flakes. There's a little bit more in there because Hubs likes it really spicy. And then we have our low sodium soy sauce. So here I'm also going to put in some black pepper. And then just a little bit of some kosher salt. Then we're going to mix that. And you guys, please feel free to season how you like. If you need to add more soy sauce, more sesame oil, you do the taste test and season this stuff to your liking. It's your meal. So now I am going to crack the eggs in here. Go ahead and start cracking these eggs. So I think I'm just going to add 2. So now we're going to mix that up. Alrighty guys, so this is what it's looking like after a little bit more seasoning and after the egg has cooked. What I'm going to do is go ahead and add about half of my green onion here and then top it off with the cilantro as well. If there is one ingredient that makes this dish bomb.com, it is this green onion. It is 100% essential and it makes a world of difference. And I'm just going to add a little bit of cilantro. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up just a little bit. But this is pretty much done. So this is pretty much done. Let me go ahead and show you guys the final product. Alrighty fam, so this is our finished result. I had to get just a little bit fancy and put it on a plate and, you know, zhuzh it up on the sides with a little bit of sriracha. But that's pretty much it. Super quick, simple, and easy. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know what you guys want to see next. So until next time, stay thick, fit, and pretty.